Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add QR code here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a QR code to your design in Adobe Express is easy and allows you to link viewers to websites, social media pages, or other digital content. Now, I'm working with this specific design right here, and for me to be able to add a QR code, just hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the add-ons, wherein you can search or browse growing collection of like a third-party apps, right, and integration. In the search add-on, I want you to type in QR code, because it would suggest a lot of information. You see, there's going to be the first option that says Gen QR. All right, you can turn your QR codes vibrant and colorful, have a payment, less details, release info, and of course, help and support. All you're going to do is click the add button, and you can generate the QR code very easily. It's real simple, really. Just wait for it. It takes a little while, depending on your active internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable connection, because from here you can generate the code. Now, in my case, I'm going to add a specific URL for here, and I'm going to get the Deep Laughs YouTube channel's URL. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications to our latest content. We are here, guys, to help you solve your problem. All right, and then I'm going to switch to the Adobe Express. Now, here, I'm going to paste that in. So this is going to be you have the option to choose the margin right here. The background is, for example, you have a different color in mind. Something that resembles our, see that? That's going to be an easier version of the QR code. All right. That's one way. Another option that you can do is go to the home page right now. In the home page, go to the view all. From more ways to start, click view all, and I want you to click the quick actions. Why? Because there is an option here that says generate QR code, wherein what will happen is, all I'm gonna do again is paste the URL, which is gonna be our Deep Laughs channel, right? You can choose the style from these, that, maybe this, how about this one right here? All right, so you have all these options. You can put in the color, maybe red, right? And the file format. Is it going to be PNG, JPEG, and SVG? Now, all you have to do now is click on download, and it will be saved to your local computer, or click the open in editor, wherein you will be reverted back again to the same canvas as we have opened in the previous minutes. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.